Are you ready for a super simple project? And it's a lemon theme. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I printed this graphic in Canva, and I'm just cutting it out. It's on cardstock. Look at it, says, squeeze the day. How much fun is this, right? It comes out to about 4 by 6-ish, but you could just use like index cards. Those work too. And all I'm going to do is take my ruler, and I'm going to use my X-Acto knife, and I'm just going to cut so that we have a little slice in the center. Ta-da! Perfect. All right. So now I'm going to take some green gross grain ribbon. I got mine at Dollar Tree. You could get them almost anywhere. Walmart, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, whatever. And I measure it out to 5 inches. Yes. Could you do it smaller? Of course. But I don't like to fuss with stuff. Like, I don't want to mess around trying to knot it. No. I want it to be easy. So I also have some paper clips. Now I have an obsession with paper clips and with these Paperclip bookmarks. So all of these paper clips, believe it or not, came from Dollar Tree. It's just they come in a mixed container. So that's how many times I go to Dollar Tree to get these. I know, it's crazy pants. So anyway, so this is so easy and it's so fun though. And it makes an awesome set. So again, all you're going to do is cut 5 inches. I put 5 paperclip bookmarks per card. If you wanted to do less, you could do smaller, whatever. But you'll see here, I'm just cutting all of my ribbon. Again, I'm doing 5 inches. If you wanted to do less, do less. And then I'll show you again. We're going to take the ribbon, fold it in half, take our paperclip, insert the ribbon, take your fingers through the loop, pull the tails through, and then tighten it up. Now I always put, like do an angle at the top because I think it looks pretty, and quit it right now. This looks like a lemon. I don't care who you are. All right, maybe it doesn't, but stretch your imagination a little bit. It goes with the theme. Come on, cut me some slack. And anyways, this is so much fun. Listen, if you are addicted to paper products like I am, this just makes me giggle. I love it. Again, like I said, I do 5 of them, but you could do less. You could even do it on a little tiny card and just do 1 on it, and that would be adorable as well. And again, like I said, if you have somebody who loves lemons, or if you just want a fun, different kind of gift, this is the thing. Like, I love it. And again, I'm showing you, I've done 5 of them, and it's in less than 3 minutes we've gotten them done. Like, it is so easy. Now, I've heard some people burn the edges of the ribbon. I never do. They say that it stops it from fraying, which is awesome. If you do that, absolutely. I don't. I never find that it's necessary, but that's just me. And then I'm putting them all on the card, and all I'm doing is just like a paper clip. I put it on there. Look at how cute it is. Look at how cute they are. I can't even stand how cute they are. I love them so much. I love them. And then remember we made the notebooks. Look at, this is how they go into a notebook. You'll just, it's a paper clip, but look at it, fits perfect. Oh, it matches. I love it. Oh, and look at this set. Are you kidding? And then wait, there's a pen too. What? Anyways, friends, I know I gotta calm down. I get so excited. Sorry, I'm not sorry. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.